Have you ever felt nervous while speaking English? Have you ever stopped yourself from talking because you thought, what if I make a mistake? If yes, then today's podcast is for you. Because learning English is not about perfection, it's about progress. So, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, My Bright Path. In this video, I'm going to talk about how to learn English. So, guys, learning English is like learning any other skill. The more you practice, the better you become. You don't need expensive classes or perfect grammar to start. You just need confidence, daily practice, and the right attitude. The first step is listening. Listen to English every day. Podcasts, songs, or YouTube videos. When you listen, your ears get used to the sound and your tongue slowly learns how to speak it. The second step is speaking. Don't wait for the right time, just start speaking. Even if it's simple sentences like I'm learning English, today's a beautiful day, I'm proud of myself. Speak with your mirror, your friends, or even record your voice. Remember, the more you speak, the more you learn. The third step is reading and writing. Read simple English stories or articles. Write short notes about your day or your thoughts. This helps you learn new words and correct your grammar naturally. And the most powerful step is thinking in English. Okay, don't translate from Hindi or Dogri. Think directly in English. For example, instead of thinking मुझे ठंड लग रही है, think I feel cold. This one habit will change your fluency completely. So, my friends, don't be afraid of English. Make it your friend. Practice daily, speak confidently, and believe in yourself. Because English is not just a language, it's a skill that opens doors to knowledge, success, and the world. Start today. Speak one new sentence in English every morning, and soon you will realize you are not just learning English, you are living it. Okay, so thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.